Hey guys, Warden Secrets here. Today we are spinning a Black Wicked Game Embers mod, which is a birthday present for a good French friend of mine. And he is an amazing pen spinner, you can see him on the screen right now. So if you need some motivation or some great combos, check out the whole video. I'll put a link in the description below. So let's actually start with the tutorial for the Charge TX. The Charge TX can be a Charge T1, like this, or a Charge T2, or a Charge T3, or a Charge T4. I'll just put a slow-mo of the Charge T2 in here. If you want to learn this trick, you first have to know that it is a lot about your wrist. You take a lot of momentum out of it, and the starting position is kind of in a chilled grip between your thumb and your index. You turn your wrist down like this, and what you do now is you turn your wrist to the left like this, so the pen swings up here, and of course a bit to the top too, like this. So in order to do that, you have to hold the pen very gently, not hard, and you don't push, you just take the momentum out of your wrist. So again, you take the pen like this, you turn your hand to the left and to the top, so it swings up here. And now you turn your wrist to the right, and your whole hand, you turn it to the right, so you have it up here. So the whole motion till now is this. Swing it right here and up. So here. Turn your right hand, and then you let the pen go down. This part you have to do with your fingers. So from the start, you have it in this position. Let it swing up here. Turn your hand. Let it go down with your fingers to complete this circle. So I'll just repeat it one final time for you. Hold the pen gently between your thumb and your index finger. Now swing the pen up here. You get the momentum out of your wrist by turning it to the left and to the top, and then turning your hand to the right. Then you use your fingers to complete the circle, sorry. And then you have it back here and have your hand turned down, and you can do it over and over again. So if you practice it, do it a bit slower, just like this. And do it with all fingers. It's very good practice against flexibility woes. And don't forget, you have two hands. You have to do it with your left hand too, or with your right hand if you are left-handed. And we'll meet in the next video the #9 Sonic, which is this one, very important trick. This time for reader, or maybe, but just maybe, the Charge T1, but I haven't really learned it yet, just a bit. Yeah, that's basically it. Bye bye.